Good afternoon. Now we study the addition of two matrices in a C language. Okay, give the one example. First of all, what is meant by matrix? Means what? Matrix means in that elements are present in the form of rows and columns. Okay, that give the two matrix. That is the first matrix for give the name as the A, and second matrix they give the name as the B, and the two matrices are addition, and the result is displayed in the third matrix that give the name as the C. That are the used the variables in our program. Okay, it is the two-dimensional array, so in that positions are starting with 0. In that the when we addition of two matrices, then one point is think that when we added the two matrices, then that time their orders are same. Means what? In the first matrix the order is 3 by 3, then B means second matrix also in the order of 3 by 3. Means in the first matrix the elements are 9, then second matrix also elements are 9. That time there are addition is possible. Okay, one another thing is that their elements are, how to that elements are added? The elements are added in that in the first matrix the element corresponding elements are added. How it corresponding elements are added? First, in that it is the two-dimensional array, so the first the 0 row, first row, second row, first 0 column, first column, and second column, same as the second matrix also. This is the 0 row, first row, second row, 0 column, first column, and second column. In that corresponding elements means what? In a first matrix 0 row 0 column, the element 1 is added with corresponding element 0 row 0 column. Okay, that is 1 and 1 is added in the displayed or stored in the third array, that is the 2. Next 0 row first column element is 1 in a first matrix, and in a second matrix 0 row and first column that number is 2 are added in the third matrix, that is in a resultant matrix that output is 3. That so on all elements are added. In that 9 elements because is the 3 by 3 elements. Means what? In a program the concept is used, that is the for loop. Why the for loop is used? Because in that operations are, means the addition operations are performed by repeated in 9 times, so give the for loop. Okay, in that for loop the two variables are taken for the I and j. In that two for loop are used in a program. First for loop is used for the row and second for loop is used for column, because your elements are changed in the next position, so for loop are used. Okay, now we see the how to develop that program are simple. In that first of all 3 parts are important. 3 parts means what? In the first part we taken the input the first matrix, in second part input the second matrix, and in a third part in addition of that these two matrices. Okay, Conio Weidman. Next, variable declaration. In that use the two-dimensional array, so give the variables a, b, and c. A and b for input and c for output. I and j used for loop. Next, clear screen printf. Enter 9 numbers for first matrix. It is the displayed for the user. Next, give the for loop, first for loop. Next, inner for loop, it is the outer for loop and inner for loop. This outer for loop is used for rows and inner for loop is used for column. How to it is run? First, for loop. First part is initialization, test condition and increment. In that I is equal to 0, I is less than is equal to 2, I plus plus. Check the I is equal to 0, 0 less than is equal to 2, condition is true, then inner for loop is executed. J value is equal to 0, 0 less than is equal to 2, condition is true, so inner part is executed. Inner part means scanf function, that is the input the first matrix. In that, data specifier is used for %d because it is the integer numbers. Next ampersand, next A of I and J. I means 0, J means 0, means 0 row, 0 column, position first number is enter. Okay, next J is equal to 1, 1 is less than is equal to 2, condition is true, means in that I is the same 0 and J is 1, means 0 row first column, that means second number are entered. That's so on, that 9 number for enter in the first matrix. Okay, next part, enter 9 number for the second matrix. In that the same logic for first matrix, that's the second matrix, only for change the variable A and there is the B. Okay, next third part. In the third part there the addition of that these two matrices. The printf, the result message is displayed, sum of matrices is. Okay, /n is used for, so it is the display the message in a new line. In that also same, in the for loop, first for loop is the row and second for loop is means what, inner for loop is for used for column. In that first I is equal to 0, condition is true, I less than is equal to 2, condition is true, then inner part is executed. J is equal to 0, J less than is equal to 2, so inner part is executed, means in that operations are performed. I value is 0, J values are 0. First A matrix is 0, 0 position number and also B 0, 0 position number. Their two numbers are added and result is stored in a sim array, means in the position of 0, 0. And that next line is the printf, means what, that number are displayed using the %d data specifier. There the space is given because in a two numbers we use the space. Okay, next next printf /n is used for, because in this is the used in a inner for loop after, means in this inner for loop is used for column. So when columns are finishes, that time printf /n means cursors are displayed in a new line, means in a outer for loop before, means the second row are displayed in a new line. Next, that the arrow are curly braces are computed for the our outer for loop. Then after get ch and there complete the curly braces for while main. Okay, how is display the output? How do we get the output in that? Enter 9 numbers for the first matrix, there 9 numbers are entered. Next, enter 9 numbers for second matrix, 9 numbers are entered. Next message is for, we use our program, so they display the message sum of matrices is their addition of these 9 numbers in the matrix form, because we in a arrangement in our program, in that use the space, so in that 2 and 3 their two numbers are give the space. In that use the /n, so when first row is complete, then second row is will start with new line, so there the /n is used after that first row, so where output is get form in a matrix form. It is the program for addition of two matrices in a C language. Thank you.